Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Supabase and session persistence, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Supabase, you first need to create a Supabase project. Visit the Supabase website and sign up if you do not have an account. Once logged in, click on the New Project button. Fill out the project details, including the name and password for your database. After creating your project, navigate to your project dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate the Authentication section. In the Authentication section, you will find various settings for user management. Next, head to the API tab under your project settings. Here you will see your unique Supabase URL and API key, which you will need for authentication. In your application, install the Supabase client library via npm or yarn. Create a new file for your authentication logic in your project. Import the Supabase client in your authentication file. Initialize the Supabase client using your unique URL and API key. To implement user authentication, you can set up sign-up and login functions. For sign-up, call the sign-up method from the Supabase client. Pass the user email and password as arguments to this method. For login, use the sign-in method, again with the user email and password. After successful login or sign-up, Supabase will handle the session automatically. To check if a user is logged in, utilize the getUser method. You can also listen for authentication state changes by subscribing to the on-auth state change event. For session persistence, Supabase uses secure HTTP-only cookies by default. This allows sessions to remain active even after page reloads. To log the user out, simply call the sign-out method from the Supabase client. Ensure to handle errors for all authentication calls to improve user experience. You may also consider implementing token storage for client-side session management. You can use local storage or session storage, but remember to prioritize security. By following these steps, you will set up user authentication with session persistence in your application using Supabase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.